Hey, what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through how to play Calypso. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. If you learn from this tutorial, leave a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a tutorial. So without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of C, and the progression is 6, 4, 3, 6. The 6 is an A minor chord. The 4 is an F chord, and the 3 is an E minor chord. So I am using, or holding the A minor chord, I'm using my pointer finger to play string number 2 on the first fret. My middle finger playing string number 4 on the second fret, and my ring finger playing string number 3 on the second fret. So that's A minor chord. F chord, pointer finger barring string 1 and 2. My middle finger playing string number 3 on the second fret. My ring finger playing string number 5 on the third fret, and my small finger playing string number 4 on the third fret. So you can also use your thumb to bar the 6th string. So you can either play this F chord, or you can just play a full bar chord where every other note will be the same, and then your pointer finger will be now barring fret 1 from string 1 to 6. The other chord is A minor chord. So A minor chord, I'm using my middle and ring finger. So middle finger playing string number 5 on the second fret, and my ring finger playing string number 4 on the second fret. So that's E minor chord. So again, A minor, F, E minor, and then back to that's A minor chord. So you can as well play bar chords. So you can play your A minor here, where I'm using my pointer finger to bar string 1, 2, and 3 on the 5th fret, and my ring finger is on string number 4, but now on the 7th fret. So A minor, then this F chord here. So pointer finger is on 5th fret, barring string 1, 2, and 3. Middle finger playing string number 2 on the 6th fret. Ring finger playing string number 4 on the 7th fret, and my small finger playing string number 8. So A minor, F, and E minor here. So pointer finger barring string 1 to 5 on the 7th fret. My middle finger is on string number 2 on the 8th fret. My ring finger playing string number 4 on the 9th fret, and my small finger playing string number 3 on the 9th fret. So that's a E minor chord. So A minor, F, E minor. Those are the chords that comprise that progression, and that's how you're going to play that song. With that, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.